I'm here to talk to you about Islip Goes Purple. Week 2 is raising awareness in our Islip communities. Many thanks to the members of the Islip Opioid Heroin Task Force. Islip Town and Islip Goes Purple have a vision to unite, to create, and to care. This is the second year for Islip Goes Purple, and despite the pandemic, we are able to promote and raise awareness through social distancing and social media. September is Substance Use Disorder and Recovery Month. On August 31st, we had International Overdose Awareness Day, IOAD. It's a global event that aims to raise awareness that overdose death is preventable and to reduce the stigma associated with drug-related deaths. I am proud to work with 2 dedicated coalitions, the Islip Drug Education Awareness Coalition, right here in Islip, established back in 1997. They are working to create a healthy Islip by planning appropriate, supervised activities for youth in the Islip School District. The positive choices empower youth to make healthy choices that result in a substance-free lifestyle. Many supports are available to Islip families and are listed on the school website. The Great South Bay Coalition, my second coalition I work with, was established in 2014. They are working with 4 hamlets, West Sayville, Bayport, and Blue Point, and 2 school districts, Sayville Schools and Bayport Blue Point Schools. The mission for Great South Bay Coalition is to promote physical and mental health in an effort to reduce youth substance use. Both coalitions are drug-free community grant recipients, and we work with at least 12 sectors in the community. At this point, I'm going to introduce Long Island Prevention Resource Center Executive Director, Pamela Mitzi.
Thanks, Barbara. The Long Island Prevention Resource Center is tasked with providing training on the strategic prevention framework and technical assistance to all community members and community-based organizations who are willing to and ready to organize to become a community prevention coalition. Currently, there are 19 community coalitions working throughout Suffolk County, and the Long Island Prevention Resource Center works with all of them on various levels. We use the strategic prevention framework because it is evidence-based, and we know that if communities follow the SPIF, as we call it, strategic prevention framework, that they get smarter, faster, and ready to approach and change the communities that they live in for the better, to make them healthier and safer communities for youth and young adults, to make better decisions about the use of substances and how to go about not using substances. From a prevention perspective, community coalitions are prepared to change the environment to help young people make better decisions about their behavior, and to help parents and community members to provide a safer community for everyone. So we're here to commemorate Islip Goes Purple, which is an international observation, but here in Islip, it's been embraced by the town and all the communities. You'll see, driving through Islip Township, signs on the side of the road. You'll see purple light bulbs. The cupola here at Town Hall was lit up on August 31st in purple to commemorate those people who are struggling towards recovery and those people who have made their own way towards a drug-free lifestyle. The more we talk about this issue, the easier it'll be for those people who are still struggling to make some better decisions for themselves. And we know prevention works, we know treatment works, we know recovery is real and it happens, and it makes for a safer and healthier community all the way around. So at this time, I'd like to introduce to you the National Guard, who help us at the Prevention Resource Center and all of those community coalitions to do this work. National Guard?
Hello, my name is Technical Sergeant Gabriel Manzueta. I'm here with Staff Sergeant Jessica Lease and Technical Sergeant Carissa Siri, and we are a part of the New York National Guard Counter-Drug Task Force. We are Drug Demand Reduction Civil Operations Specialists, and we work with local coalitions throughout Long Island, both Nassau and Suffolk. It is actually a nationwide program. Every state has civil operations, and New York has civil operations specialists throughout the region. So we specifically work here on Long Island at a community level, like to keep it grassroots where all the passion is. And we work with 16 coalitions here on Long Island between Suffolk and Nassau County, 2 specifically here. And what we do is we offer technical assistance along with the Long Island Prevention Resource Center, and whatever military expertise we can offer, whether it's facilitating meetings, helping develop strategic action plans, looking for grants so that coalitions have money to spend. We also assist with grant writing. We review documents and whatever else we can help with the coalition, honestly. We like to be more tech savvy, so especially now during COVID, a lot of people have had a hard time adjusting to Zoom, and we've helped ease that process, take over social media platforms so that way they can get their message out because they can't go in person anymore. So we also provide overdose data for community coalitions, so that way whenever they're collecting information to submit into their grants, we help get information from that. We also have criminal analysts who work in law enforcement agencies who help us collect information that is able to be disseminated to the public, with collecting statistics from overdose and whatever the coalition is asking for that we are allowed to provide. We also conduct community scans where we'll go to a community, problem areas chosen by the communities during our community mapping events, and we'll go with local law enforcement to see what can the community do about it, whether it's a cleanup or maybe an area needs some more lighting. So little things like that create environmental change, some create policy change, whatever we can do to further the coalition's goals. 2 of the coalitions that we work with here in Town of Islip are actually Islip and Great South Bay Coalition, and Barbara can show you how to get involved with them. Thank you.
Hi again. What can you do to help us with developing local solutions for local problems? With Islip Goes Purple, you could attend coalition events, and they will be socially distant at this point, and coalition meetings are through our platform Zoom. You can join a coalition very easily. You can promote through your favorite organizations or on your personal Facebook page. Just share our Facebook post. Support your local foundations and their efforts to remember their loved ones and possibly help save another family from experiencing a loss due to overdose. Being informed and aware of what's happening in your neighborhood and being a supportive neighbor to someone that's dealing with substance use disorder or recovery is a great start. The easiest step right now is to hang a purple bow, a purple porch light, for the month of September to raise awareness for Islip Goes Purple 2020. I'm here from the Islip Drug Education Awareness. My name is Barbara Voris. I'm a co-director in that coalition. And with the Great South Bay Coalition, I'm the coordinator. So I hope that you'll join us with our Islip Goes Purple initiative this year. Thank you.